What is a database? A database sounds complex, but it's actually simple. It is just organized data stored in tables. Each table has rows and columns. Rows are records, and columns are fields in a table. For example, a customer's table may contain name, email, and phone number. But here's what most people miss. The real power of a database is not the tables, it's how the tables connect. Customers connect to orders, and orders connect to products. That's how companies track everything. If you don't understand this, SQL will feel confusing. But once you get it, everything in data starts to make sense.